yesterday you saw where Tommy was actually describing Margie about the past schools that we have today. For them, it's actually the schools of past. Now, when Margie asked Tommy that why would anyone write about a school, she is really surprised that why anyone would write about the school. That is why she is asking that. So Tommy is replying, looked at her with surprised eyes. Actually, Tommy knows more than Margie about these things. So he is actually giving a superior look to her. He is actually, patriotising himself, and he is saying that because it's not our kind of a school, stupid. This is the old kind of a school that they had hundred years ago. So now actually Tommy knew something about the schools that we have today. So he is telling her everything that actually hundred years ago the schools are not like our school. That's what the Tommy is saying. It means to say that at present time they have a school in their house itself. Actually, they have a separate room as a classroom, and that is actually known as their school of present time, where they are taught by a robotic teacher. Marge was hurt after hearing all this. Well, I don't know what kind of a school they had all that time ago. She read the book over his shoulder for a while, then said, anyway, they had a teacher. Actually, Margie was not very much impressed about this, so she just said, I don't know what kind of a school they have. But now, actually, Margie just read the book for a while, and then actually Tommy said that at that time they had a teacher also. So this is more surprising for Margie. Now she is saying that sure they had a teacher, but it wasn't a regular teacher. It was a man. No, actually it was Margie who said that, who asked that they had a teacher also. And Tommy is telling to her, yeah, they had the teacher, but it was not a regular teacher. A student here, the regular teacher actually means, you know, the robotic teacher. For them, a regular teacher is actually a mechanical teacher, a robotic teacher, not the teacher that we have today, the man teacher. It's not like that. So it was a man. So a man. Margie is really surprised after hearing that they had a man teacher at that time. And actually, so the Margie is really surprised that a man was a teacher. So she is saying that how could a man be a teacher? So actually, the what is name Tommy. Tommy is saying that, well, he just told the boys and girls things and gave them homework and asked them questions. So now he is telling how the man teacher used to teach in past time, in to our context, actually the present time. But Margie is saying a man isn't smart enough. And Tommy, sure he is. My father knows as much as my teacher. But Tommy is saying, no, it's not true. Sometimes a man can also be as smart as a computer. And after all, computer has been the invention of the mankind. So actually, so Tommy is saying it's not so. My father also knows as much as my teacher. A teacher here is actually the robotic teacher, student. He knows almost as much. I betcha. Student, betcha word is actually used to say I bet. I challenge. That's what it means. 1 second, wait. Let it go first. Margie wasn't prepared to dispute that. She said, I wouldn't want a strange man in my house to teach me. Now, Margie was actually not ready to dispute on this topic. She was convinced that man can be as smart as a robotic teacher, but she is further saying that it would be very odd for her to let a strange man enter into her house. Now Tommy screamed with laughter after hearing this. You don't know much, Margie. The teachers didn't live in the house. They had a special building and all the kids went there. Now actually Tommy is telling to her that It's not like our days, that we have a robotic teacher in our house. They have, all the teachers actually used to teach in a different building where all the kids all used to go there together, and teachers do not live in houses like that they had in future, and all the kids learn the same thing. That's what the here at present time, for at that time for them, the Isaac Asimov is thinking, imagining that the teacher would live in their house and every student will learn differently. But in the past time, Tommy is explaining to Margie that they used to learn the same thing. Sure, if they were the same age. Now Tommy is saying if all the students are of same age, they used to learn the same thing. Now a student read the pan number 8. But my mother says a teacher has to be adjusted to fit the mind of each boy and girl it teaches, and that each kid has to be taught differently. Now the Marge is saying that each boy has a different kind of mental ability, a mental strength. Each needed to be explained in a different way. Everyone does not have the same ability, so each child need to learn in a different way. My mother, actually Margie's mother, used to tell this to Margie. So this is the objection that Margie is raising on this, that how a man can adjust, and how a man teacher can teach all the students the same thing. Just the same they didn't do that then. If you don't like it, you don't have to read the book. It I didn't say I didn't like it, Margie said quickly. Now the Tommy is saying that Tommy is frustrated. Tommy is also a kid, so he is saying that this is what they didn't used to do at that time. So actually, they have a different way of teaching, and now Tommy is saying that if you do not like, you do not read the book. You do not need to read the book. But Margie is saying that I have not said like that. She wants to read the book, but she has many questions about the schools that we have today, and for them, the school that uh, had 100 years ago. So actually, Margie is quite curious about these schools, and she wants to know actually more and more.